Ever wondered how eBay's search algorithm works? Well, it's not magic, but rather a complex system of digital gears and cogs working together to ensure that the right items are seen by the right buyers at the right time. This algorithm, this digital matchmaker, plays a pivotal role in the eBay marketplace, connecting buyers and sellers in a dance as old as commerce itself. Understanding this algorithm, this secret sauce of eBay, is crucial for anyone wishing to maximize their visibility on the platform. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. The better you understand the rules of the game, the better you can play it. And in the world of eBay, the game is all about visibility. The eBay search algorithm is a master at matching buyers with the most relevant listings, ensuring that each search leads to a treasure trove of potential purchases. So, let's dive into the world of eBay's search algorithm. At its core, eBay's search algorithm is a sophisticated system designed to connect buyers with the most relevant items. Think of eBay's search algorithm as a matchmaker. It works tirelessly behind the scenes, sifting through millions of listings to find the perfect match for each buyer's search query. The algorithm is complex, but its primary goal is straightforward: relevancy. It strives to present the most pertinent results to the user, enhancing their shopping experience and increasing the likelihood of a successful sale. Let's delve a little deeper into how it achieves this. eBay's search algorithm utilizes various factors to determine the relevancy of a listing. One of the most significant is the item title. Sellers must craft their titles strategically, incorporating keywords that potential buyers are likely to use in their search queries. The more accurately and succinctly the title describes the item, the higher it's likely to rank in the search results. Next, the algorithm considers the item description. Here, it's all about detail. A comprehensive, clear, and accurate description not only helps buyers understand what they're purchasing, but also provides the algorithm with more data to assess relevancy. Price plays a crucial role too. The algorithm takes into account both the listed price and the shipping cost. It's no secret that buyers are drawn to competitive prices, and the algorithm acknowledges this. However, it also considers value for money, meaning that a higher-priced item offering better quality or additional benefits may still rank well. Finally, the seller's reputation comes into play. Sellers who consistently receive positive feedback and provide excellent customer service are more likely to be favored by the algorithm. A high seller rating can boost a listing's visibility, as the algorithm sees these sellers as trustworthy, thereby enhancing the buyer's shopping experience. So to sum it up, eBay's search algorithm uses a combination of item titles, descriptions, price, and seller reputation to determine the relevancy of a listing. It's a delicate balance of several factors, all working together to ensure that buyers find exactly what they're looking for. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore the factors that influence eBay's search algorithm. The eBay search algorithm considers a variety of factors when determining the relevancy of a listing. There are three key categories that eBay's search algorithm takes into account: item details, seller details, and listing performance. Each plays a unique role in determining a listing's visibility. Let's start with item details. These include the title, description, and price of your listing. The title is one of the most important elements here. It's the first thing buyers see, and it's also what the algorithm looks at for keywords. So, make sure your title is clear, concise, and accurately describes what you're selling. The description is your chance to provide more detailed information about the item. It's essential to be thorough and accurate here. Avoid fluff, and make sure you're only including relevant details. Misleading descriptions can lead to unhappy customers and poor seller ratings, which can hurt your visibility in search results. Price is another crucial factor. The algorithm tends to favor competitively priced items. That doesn't mean you need to have the lowest price, but it should be in line with what similar items are selling for on eBay. Next, we have seller details. These include your feedback score and detailed seller ratings. The feedback score is a cumulative total of the positive, neutral, and negative feedback you've received from buyers. A higher score can improve your visibility in search results. Detailed seller ratings are a bit more nuanced. They're based on a 1 to 5-star scale, and buyers rate you in 4 areas: item description, communication, shipping time, and shipping charges. Like the feedback score, higher ratings can boost your visibility. Lastly, we have listing performance. This includes your sales history and click-through rate. The algorithm loves listings that perform well. So, if your item has a strong sales history, it's likely to be ranked higher. Similarly, if your listing has a high click-through rate, meaning a lot of people click on it when it appears in search results, that can also improve your ranking. However, it's important to note that the algorithm is dynamic. It's continually learning and adjusting based on new data. So if a listing starts to perform poorly, it can drop in the rankings. Conversely, if a listing begins to perform well, it can climb the ranks. In summary, eBay's search algorithm is influenced by a variety of interrelated factors. It's a complex system that takes into account the details of your item, your performance as a seller, and how well your listing performs. By understanding these factors, you can optimize your listings to be more attractive to the algorithm and, ultimately, to buyers. Understanding these factors is crucial for optimizing your listings. But what about the buyer's behavior? How does that impact the search results? Buyer behavior plays a significant role in shaping eBay's search results. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty. How does the buyer's behavior influence what they see on their eBay search results? Well, it's all about personalization. eBay's algorithm doesn't simply throw out random results based on search terms. Instead, it creates a unique shopping experience for each user. Consider this scenario. A buyer types in vintage vinyl records. The algorithm springs into action, sifting through millions of listings, but it doesn't stop there. The algorithm also takes into account the user's past purchases. If the buyer has previously bought a Beatles record, the algorithm is likely to prioritize Beatles vinyl records in the search results. But what about users who haven't made any purchases yet? How does the algorithm personalize their experience? That's where the watch history comes into play. If a user has been eyeing a Rolling Stones record but hasn't made the purchase, the algorithm takes note. The next time the user searches for vintage vinyl records, guess what pops up near the top of the list? That's right, the Rolling Stones record the user had been watching. And it's not just about what buyers have bought or watched. The algorithm also takes into account their search terms. If a buyer consistently uses certain keywords or phrases, the algorithm learns from this and adjusts the search results accordingly. For instance, if a buyer consistently searches for mint condition vinyl records, the algorithm will prioritize listings that highlight the record's pristine condition. So, you see, eBay's search algorithm is like a personal shopping assistant. It listens, learns, and tailors the shopping experience to each user's unique tastes and preferences. This is more than just a neat feature. It's a powerful tool that sellers can leverage to reach their target audience. By understanding how buyer behavior influences search results, sellers can optimize their listings to match their buyers' behaviors and preferences. So, buyer behavior influences search results, making eBay a more tailored shopping platform. But now you might wonder, how can I leverage this information to improve my sales? Armed with knowledge about eBay's search algorithm, you can optimize your listings for better visibility and sales. Let's delve into some practical tips to get your listings to the top. Firstly, focus on your item details. The more accurate and comprehensive your descriptions are, the easier it is for the algorithm to match your items with potential buyers. Use relevant keywords in your title and description, but avoid keyword stuffing. It's not just about having the right keywords, it's about using them in a way that's natural and relevant. Next, your seller reputation plays a pivotal role. Maintain a high seller rating by providing excellent customer service, prompt shipping, and accurate item descriptions. Your positive feedback score is a testament to your credibility as a seller. A good rule of thumb is to always strive for a feedback score above 98%. The higher your score, the more trust you instill in buyers, and the more favorably eBay's algorithm views your listings. Don't forget about your listing performance. The algorithm prefers listings with a strong sales history. So, if you're selling similar items, group them together. This increases the chances of one item's success rubbing off on the others. Also, keep your inventory fresh. Regularly updating your listings not only keeps your store looking active, but it also signals to the algorithm that you're a committed seller. Lastly, pricing is important. If your item is priced too high, it may deter potential buyers. On the other hand, pricing too low may make the buyers suspicious. So, find a sweet spot. Research similar items on eBay. Consider the condition of your item and price it competitively. Understanding and leveraging eBay's search algorithm can truly make a difference in your sales success. So, go ahead, apply these insights, and see the results for yourself.